Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. 5 best mutation testing tools. There is a wide range of tools available that can help companies with their mutation testing requirements. With this in mind, here are the 5 best tools for mutation testing. 1. Striker. Striker specializes in JavaScript mutation, streamlining this process significantly to guarantee no false positives and lower the overall amount of effort that testers would otherwise need to apply for all mutation checks. 2. PyTest. PyTest is a very popular choice across the world due to its ability to change Java bytecode and make thousands of mutations per second. 3. Ensure++. Ensure++ has many testing capabilities, including mutation analysis, allowing the platform to spot ambiguities in a program. 4. Jumble. This application specializes in the JUnit JavaScript framework, with comprehensive visual indicators of how the code responds to mutation analysis. 5. MutPy. MutPy supports mutation tests for Python-based applications, offering full support for high-order mutations as well as comprehensive coverage analysis. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.